Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Kredioo for sending me over their nail tips and a glue gel set along with their new gel polish collections. They have a variety of different ones, and it includes 6 gel polishes along with a base coat and top coat, so a total of 8. Absolutely amazing. And they also have the instructions in all different types of languages. Here I'm just briefly going to show you up close the packaging, what they look like, and just a brief overview of the colors, and you could kind of see the consistency of each individual color. And I will be doing swatches for you all, but here I'm just briefly showing you the colors first. And I really appreciate how the bottles are really cute. I love the marble aesthetic with the gold accents on it, and also each bottle is 7.5 ml, just in case you guys were wondering. So yeah, here I'm just briefly showing you everything that this particular gel polish set includes. This is a holiday themed gel polish set, so I will have everything linked down below for you guys in the description if you are interested. And then we're moving on to the nail tips and glue gel set, which is really nice, and I really appreciate how a lot of companies are now coming out with their very own. And you can soak these off, and these are UV and LED cured, so that is really nice. And I like how it incorporates a lot of things. Here I'm just going to briefly show you everything, but I like how it includes the portable nail lamp, nail glue gel, which I love because it was a thicker consistency, reminded me of builder gel. So really appreciated that, because you could just literally place it on your nail and it won't even move until you're ready to cure it into the lamp. It also includes a nail prep dehydrator, which is amazing because I don't think I've ever received any product that included a dehydrator, so that's really cool. And then it also includes 500 nail tips, which is awesome as well. It also includes some nail tip clips if you're interested in using that, along with the nail file. And you do have 24 months to use this before it goes bad. And also remember to recycle if you're going to throw anything away, and please keep this away from children. You know, you want to keep everybody safe. And to store this, always remember to keep it in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to avoid any unnecessary exposure to LED or UV light if you don't want to make your gel polish go bad or like cure or whatever the case may be. So always keep that in mind and keep it stored in a cool and dry place. So here I'm just starting off with grabbing the nail file that this kit included, and I'm just pre-etching the cuticle area on the inside of each nail just for it to adhere better when I apply them on. And in the following video that I will be creating, I will be doing it with the Kredioo nail drill because it is absolutely amazing. I love their products. I've made a variety of videos with their products already, so I definitely recommend them. And I was extremely impressed with these swatches, because when I was doing the swatches, they were so creamy and pigmented. And a way to know, honestly, for me personally, if like the gel polish is good quality, I take the lightest color, like a white for example. They tend to be very streaky, or they tend to be very not that opaque that you have to put a lot of layers on. But when I did the swatch of the white color in particular, I knew off the bat that these were very creamy, very pigmented, and high quality. Honestly, I was very impressed, really happy with the end results. You guys will see the set that I did. It's very simple, but I just wanted to do a whole set with the white color because I really wanted to determine and show you all if these colors were really it, and they definitely were. So I was really excited to see how great of a formula they compacted and composed together for others to purchase if they are interested. So very amazing, and also the price point is very affordable. So here I am just grabbing the nail file, and I'm focusing on the cuticle area to blend it in with my natural nail plate, giving it that plush natural look. And then I'm also going in and just shaping up the nails a little bit more to my liking. Even though they already have a beautiful shape, I always like to go and crispen them up regardless. So here you're gonna see me shaping, filing, and then buffing the nails, just little itsy and bitty clips of it, because I don't want to be so repetitive and boring in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like this tutorial, let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about the end result of the nail set, and let me know if you guys have tried any nail tips and glue gel sets from different companies. I definitely have been having a lot of fun trying a variety of different companies, and honestly I really love this one. Like I mentioned, really appreciated how the glue was very thick, like a builder gel. Absolutely love that. And yeah, honestly I really liked everything overall. I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything that you saw today, and I do have to go over and contact them to see if I do have a discount code available for you all. So yeah, now I'm just going in with some base coat. I'm going to cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and start the color application. And for this one in particular, I thought it was best for me to start the application. Well, for the thumb I did it how I usually do it, which I start 3/4 of the nail, but I usually start from the free edge and work my way up to the cuticle area when I'm working with gel polish. But because it was a white color, I decided I was going to start from cuticle to free edge, and it really worked out better that way. But yeah, you guys will see the pigmentation for yourselves, and you'll see the flawless application. So I was very happy overall. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know to continue to create more videos like this. Subscribe if you haven't already, it would mean the world to me, and hit the notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. So now after I am done painting the nails, I am going in with some rhinestone application. I've been really inspired to learn how to apply rhinestone placement and just get better at it. I saw a couple of Instagram posts, and I saw one in particular that I really loved and just really inspired me for this particular look to just start practicing a little bit more with rhinestones, because the honest truth is that I don't really incorporate rhinestones into my looks like that because I don't really know how to do the best rhinestone application. And in my personal opinion, when it comes to me working with rhinestones, if the application isn't flawless, then the nail set is just like an L. So I personally just want to learn how to get better at it. And honestly, this rhinestone application wasn't the best just because the caviar beads, they weren't as fine as I needed them to be. They were kind of too big. And then on top of that, they continued to bleed, which I don't understand why they would create products that are supposedly meant for nails and then they go and ruin your look. But I'll just keep going on a hunt and trying to find better caviar beads that, you know, can make my look better in the near future. But because I definitely love to incorporate like rhinestones with the caviar beads, I think it just composes it so gorgeously, and that's just the type of style of rhinestones placement that I really like to work with. So yeah, here I literally was just practicing and coming up with whatever. And that really big set of rhinestones, I actually got it a long time ago, and a lot of you guys were able to purchase it through Amazon. So I'm glad for all of you who did get your hands on these, because they're very inexpensive and you don't really come across a deal like that all the time. So I'm glad I was able to share that with you all. But yeah, here I'm just doing some random rhinestone placement just to practice. So I hope you guys enjoy the process. It's kind of really short. And then I realized, unfortunately, I wasn't really on camera. I was more off camera. So I apologize for that. But I did try to get as much as I could in regards to me applying the rhinestones. And then I went ahead and literally created the same exact design on my ring finger, which I did off camera. And then that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you so much. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.